Everyone, welcome to GDS Education. Today I am going to speak about the major challenge that is being faced by many companies, that is inbound supply chain challenge. So in order to optimize your inbound supply chain, one must not concentrate only on procure to pay for purchasing. In order to maintain a new collaboration with your manufacturers, suppliers, logistic providers and as well as customers, so it is necessary to maintain a fragile supply chain. So here are some of the challenges that are being faced by inbound supply chain. So the first one is poor data sharing. Inadequate of data or lack of sharing of data on time leads you to inner disruption, which makes you to delay your plan and execution. And this will not only delay your plan and execution, it makes you to suffer during a demand changes. So when there is a shift in demand patterns, then it will definitely hamper your operations. And the second one is managing inventory. So managing inventory is a one of the crucial and critical tasks that is being faced by every supply chain. And out of this, it is a constant trade and war between your huge inventory with adequate suppliers. So when you have more inventory, you bear the inventory cost, but when you have less inventory, you bear the cost in terms of transportation and freight charges. And the third one is continuous supply and resilience. So continuous supply and resilience is one of the major and challenge that is being faced by every supply chain companies in today's environment. Every company wants to be resilient on the process and also to maintain a constant supply. So if this is not maintained, this will definitely hamper your operations and as well as your customers. And final one is supplier development. So in order to have a good supply chain, one must have a supplier development process in that where he will or he needs to evaluate your supplier based on your quality of the order forecast, and if possible make sure a risk mitigation plan for your supplier, and if possible train them, teach them on the new techniques and the development that is being implemented in today's world. So hope these are some of the challenges that are being faced by today's supply chain in terms of inbound. So in order to make your company as one of the world-class inbound supply chain, so these are some of the challenges that one need to overcome. So how do you overcome that will be revealed in the next session. Do follow GDS Education for more updates. Thank you.